On 8th July last year, a group of 8, among whom Muhammad Kagugube, Chisambila Sleman, Abdul Haziz Ramadan, Habib Ramadan, Walusimbi Kamada were brought to court to face charges of murder, attempted murder, and terrorism. The accused are suspects in the 1st June attempted murder of Gen.Katumba Wamala and his bodyguard. The attacks also led to the murder of Gen.Katumba Wamala's daughter, Brenda Nantongo, and his driver, Haruna Kayondo. During the session, the men displayed torture marks while in custody. These were remanded, and ever since they have been appearing via Zoom for mention of their case. After 6 months on remand, today, Nakawa Magisterial Court has committed 8 suspects to the High Court for trial.
They are going to be committed on the counts that we have just read to them.
Appearing via Zoom on the magistrate's laptop where cameras were barred, the state attorney notified court they had amended the charge sheet.
Investigations are complete and we are ready to have the accused persons committed to High Court for trial.
As such, other new charges of terrorism, murder, attempted murder, belonging to a terrorist group, aggravated robbery, had been preferred.
Where they say 8 of you, Serubuna Hussein, Nyanzi, the 8 of you, and others still at large on 16th of September 2017 at the Novo Bakery Karerwe. You stole 34 million.
It is alleged the group and others still at large participated in the murder of victims at Cheap General Hardware in Nansana 2 years ago. The group is also implicated in the murder and robbery of people at City Shoppers. On that background, the state prosecutor told the court that investigations in the matter are complete, seeking court to commit them for trial. The magistrate granted the wish.
The summary of evidence that the state intends to rely on is here. It will find its way to prison, either through counsel or through prison authorities who are at the court. They are chosen while you reach High Court, you have a right to apply for bail there.
Lawyer to suspects, Geoffrey Sima, welcomes the trial in court.
We are so ready. We are very ready. The families are very ready. Why? Because we need to see justice prevail.
He's, however, stunned at involvement of one of the suspects who at that time of the suspected incident's accusations was in custody.
Now we are wondering how he participated in all those offenses. However, it is a matter which we shall present before court in High Court and we see how to move.
Sima also queries delayed medical report for the alleged torture.
If you remember, by the time they arraigned them in court 6 months ago, all of them all had been tortured. And we informed court about the need of their doctors to go see them or the doctors from ACTV to go see them. Unfortunately, the court ordered that prison should make an assessment report, what we call the medical assessment report. Within all these 6 months, they have not provided the same.
Sima vows to resist notorious delays common in such cases.
However, it is going to be our obligation as their advocates to push so that to see their matter be heard.
Relatives were depressed with today's outcome. The High Court will have to determine date for hearing. Flavia Ninkuze for CTV PM Edition.